Welcome to this video. We have a kind of university at ArcoLinux, and I went over the articles in phase 7 when you realize that there are so many distributions out there that are all based on Arch, and basically they're all the same thing. So ArcoLinux, what we do is teach you all kinds of, well, lots of desktops and topics of all kind, learning how to build ISOs, starting from scratch, and basically making your own distribution if you want it, or just for you and your brother or something. But I have looked into these guys. So phase 1, BIOS, UEFI, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. And the only thing that changed in the last 4, 5, 6 years is that there are a few changes in the department. So a K, an extra K. Where was the extra K that they decided to use? Was when you are going to, so this is based on the installation guide of ArcoLinux the wiki, but of course we do our own thing because because we can, basically. Not because we think we're better or we know a better solution, because we can. And where are you? -K, that's all it was. Nano, here he is. So -K and Ctrl-T, man, backstrap is something you can do. And then you see initialize an empty pacman keyring in the target. That's it. So an extra -K there. And for the rest, everything was changed. A few images, I changed a few images, so as to reflect that we are now this kernel at the moment in time, right? 6.8.1, or rather than 4.4, something like that in the past. So this has been changed. Number 5, number 6 has been changed. So this is the BIOS version, the older computer version, and the UEFI, the new computer version. Both articles have been changed. And just, well, you see here the reference, the grub, a newer grub reference and stuff like that. And the 6.76 is still here, I see now. So it is okay, it's okay, everything is okay. But basically the only thing that changed was the -K there. And next video is gonna go and have a look, because here in UEFI, let's go all the way to the bottom, and then back up. You can decide what to use as boot system. So at this point in time, there are 3 bootloaders: grub, refined, system deboot, and this is one. And that's just what we have been using mainly the last years, right? And if you want to, well, deviate is a good word. If you want to change it up and say, I want to have refined as alternative to grub, or I want to have system deboot as alternative to grub, then you follow the articles there. But otherwise you just go through the list, and then you have an ArcoLinux system, and then later you decide, I want to have XFCE, or I want Plasma, I want to have i3, I want to have BSPWM, Mate, Cinnamon, anything, right? That is the next step. So there you go. I've updated these articles, and have a look. All right. Cheers.